Welcome to our channel where you will find useful information to take care of your health and improve your life. Today we will talk about an extremely important but often forgotten vitamin, vitamin D. Have you ever felt tired for no reason? Do you often have joint pain, colds? It is very possible that you are lacking in vitamin D. In this video, we will explore the wonderful effects of vitamin D on the body, how to supplement it from nature and food, and important notes when using functional foods. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any information. Vitamin D is not just a regular vitamin, it acts as an important hormone in the body. So what are the benefits of vitamin D? First, strengthens bone health. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, an essential element for strong bones. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to osteoporosis, especially in the elderly. Second, strengthens the immune system. Vitamin D helps the body fight common infections such as colds and flu, which is especially helpful in winter. Third, improve mental health. Did you know that vitamin D deficiency is associated with the risk of depression? A study has shown that adequate vitamin D supplementation can help improve mood and reduce stress. Finally, vitamin D also helps prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and even cancer. This is truly a golden vitamin for health. So how do you supplement vitamin D naturally? The first source is sunlight. When your skin is exposed to UVB rays, the body will naturally produce vitamin D. Just 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure every day in the early morning, when the sunlight is still gentle, can provide enough vitamin D. The second source is food. Some foods rich in vitamin D include salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are fatty fish that are high in vitamin D. Egg yolks, an easy-to-find and versatile ingredient. Mushrooms, especially UV-exposed mushrooms, a great option for vegetarians. Vitamin D, fortified milk and cereals. These are often fortified with vitamin D to meet your daily needs. Try to incorporate these sources into your meals to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D. How do you know if you're deficient in vitamin D? Some common signs include persistent fatigue, even when you've had enough rest. Muscle and bone aches, especially in the back and legs. Susceptible to colds or infections. Sad mood, anxiety, or even depression. If you experience these signs, get tested to confirm your vitamin D levels. How to supplement. Get proper sun exposure and eat a nutritious diet. If you cannot get enough sun or have a poor diet, you can take vitamin D3 supplements. Remember, the dosage should be based on your doctor's advice to avoid excess vitamin D, which can cause kidney problems or calcium buildup in the blood. Vitamin D supplementation is good, but you need to note, do not overdo it. Excess vitamin D can cause nausea, headaches, and calcium buildup in the blood, increasing the risk of kidney stones. Recommended dosage. Children, 400 to 600 international units per day. Adults, 600 to 800 international units per day. Elderly or high-risk people may need more, but should consult your doctor. Make sure you supplement properly and regularly for maximum effectiveness. Vitamin D is the key to a healthy body and an energetic life. Start getting your vitamin D today by getting regular sun exposure, eating a healthy diet, and taking supplements if needed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other valuable health information. Please comment below on how you get your daily vitamin D intake or ask any questions so we can help you.